1, 2. No, started. Hello. Well, good evening, everybody. That's actually unexpected to have as many people today. That's great. So yeah, welcome to you all. And oh well, an enthusiasm. That's great. I'm glad you all came. Anyway, today we're gonna have so that's night bird flying session. So hopefully having some kind of nice, very soft things, which they all prepared. So basically, 2 new instruments today that you've probably never seen for the ones that came to the session before. You know, that's for the new ones. Those new faces, good. And so yeah, the first one to play, which never played first, I think, is Mr. Tom. So for Tom.
Hello everyone. Hope you all had good holidays, good break. So this is Paulina's guitar. The thing is that she's not there yet. Well, it's a guitar she made when she was in first year of guitar, same year as us actually. So she finished it about 1.5 years ago. So basically that's spruced up, rosewood, bridge and fingerboard.
Ebony.
Hey, is it ebony for both?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Sorry.
Red cedar, Spanish cedar, sorry, for the neck, and maple for the back and side. So I don't have any songs in the theme because I didn't expect to play, but there was some musician missing and stuff, so I'm just gonna play 3 songs completely out of theme and stuff. First one is a Elliott Smith song. I know that I've been playing a lot of Elliott Smith since the acoustic session started, but well, I think it's a really underrated artist and one that I really like. So the first song, is called Between the Bars by Elliott Smith. So next song is gonna be a Neil Young song called Cowgirl in the Sand. song by the Kings, not very well known one, called Shangri-La. Now that you found your paradise, this is your kingdom to come in. You can go outside and polish your car, or sit by the fire in your Shangri-La. Here's your reward for working so hard. Gone are the laboratories in the backyard. Gone are the days when you dreamed of that car. You just wanna sit in your Shangri-La. Put on your slippers and sit by the fire. You've reached your top and you just can't get any higher. You're in your place and you know where you are, in your Shangri-La. Sit back in your old rocking chair. You need not worry, you need not care. You can go anywhere. Shangri-La, Shangri-La, The little man who gets the train, cotton board gauge hanging over his head, but he's too scared to complain, 'cause his condition that way. Time goes by and he plays off his debts. Got a TV set on the radio for 7 shillings a week. Shangri-La, Shangri-La, An old houses in the street have got a name, 'cause old houses in the street they